Hi everybody, hope you well. Let's speak today about the markets. Today I will speak about gold. Gold is very interesting because we had a very big movement last weeks or last months, many months, and some days ago we have started a correction. But the question is, this is a simple correction or this correction will start with new downtrend. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame what we have now. Okay, since his top, the prices is going approximately 11% down, and in this situation we didn't have a pullback. So for me, in this situation, is very big probability that this asset will come back to 4066, 4100, something between this area. I think the most likely the price will come back here. So after this level we will see how will be this movement. Let's see now on the 15 minutes time frame. So for example, in this situation I just open a small position of, I closed my position here and open now a new long position. But this new long position in this situation, okay, here you can see, okay, I will put stop loss under this level, okay. So what I think can be right now we have this curve trend on gold, okay, and I think yes, gold can go little bit maybe down, but in this situation I think that this level is very important level for gold. Maybe we will try to come back to test it, and if we will have the same situation like this and with this type of shadow, I will enter for a little bit bigger position. So at the moment I enter here. Maybe if I will see this type of scenario, I will enter with another lot here, and after the price will broke this curve line in this type of situation, yeah, if we will make a new structure here, okay, you see, okay, if price now can create something like this, okay, and if the price will broke this level here, I will increase my position, because in my opinion 4070 is the real target for this movement. Maybe we can go more higher, I don't know, but in this situation this one for me is very likely. Okay, but to understand if the gold will go down or will go more higher, we don't have at the moment the real information, because yeah, we have this level. We need to understand this level will be broke or not will be broke. So after this we have this level. This is another level, more very important. And after this level, the gold will create something like this. This is another type of figure, maybe some not figure but pattern, to say in the right mode. Something like this. If we will have something like this, the gold will become very bullish. At this situation, at this moment, I think it's more likely to come back in 4017, and after this we will try to understand which movement we can be later. Okay, what about silver? Silver repeat the same scenario like gold. After this type of correction, silver, you see here, correction 16%, and correction at $50 is a normal thing. So if the price will come back here, I think it will be tomorrow or today in 1 hour, because we have Fed in a 1 hour. Maybe we can start from this point to find sell zone. But in this situation, I can't see sell zone. Maybe under this level, maybe I will try to find sell zone. At this moment, for me, it's more long position. Okay, but for silver, I prefer more positioning with long-term investment. And this area 40, 38, 36 is very good area to accumulate more silver, because silver is very in long term very bullish. Let's speak about Bitcoin. What we have on Bitcoin? On Bitcoin we have something, this type of structure. If you see here, Bitcoin is very bullish. Yeah, it's still bullish. Yeah, because we have this movement. At this situation we are in correction, and this correction, if you see here, okay, it stopped on flat, something like a flat, yeah, something like a flat. And when we remain, if we remain in this flat zone, Bitcoin remain bullish. If the Bitcoin will go upper 120 more higher, will become very bullish. Also, with Bitcoin we can see this type of trend line, and this type of trend line is very important, because upper on this more, if the price will broke 116, 117, and the price is remaining here for 1-2 days, Bitcoin became very bullish, because this one is a pattern for long position. But in the short term we can have this one, and for me it's important just to understand how Bitcoin will, which movement he will make tomorrow and after tomorrow, because this one for me is bullish pattern at the moment. The same thing also Ethereum. Ethereum is the same thing like a Bitcoin. Okay, for example, we have here on a 4 hour, you can see better, and we have this pattern. This pattern is very bullish, but we know the price now is going to reduce his volatility, and when the price of some asset the volatilities became very small volatility, I think we can have in a few in the next day a big movement. Just for me, it's important this level. I will try to show you. Okay, this is triangle, and this triangle is the simple trend line, and if we will broke upper trend line, the price can make a very big movement, very big impulse. The same thing if the price will broke the down trend line, up trend line, this one, a red trend. So at the moment, for example, I open a position long for Ethereum because I think we can see Ethereum for the next weeks in this area. Thank you guys, hope you a good day and see you next time. Bye.